Alright, so the issue we were having was last year the fridge completely stopped cooling the refrigerator, but we still had still cold in the freezer. So after trying to do a couple different fixes and replacing some relay, I still got no real effect. So I had left it unplugged for probably 2 or 3 days, and plugged it back in, and what do you know, it started to work again. So happened again in the middle of some other stuff I did. So I knew there had to be another fan, but I just couldn't tell from the diagrams. I started digging more into the diagrams, and I figured it out. So if you look in here, the bottom of the fridge had a plate with the vent comes through. You pop that out, it's one screw, and then you can just kind of just wobble this out. You get that out underneath there, you got this just, styrofoam that pops right out. As you can see, it needs to be cleaned, but obviously it's getting mold on it for part of the same reason why it's having a problem with the ice. So right here is where you got your coils, and right behind the coils, if you can see, let me give you some light. That right there, it's about 2 inches of ice. It's actually stopped the blade from spinning at all. So that's where your problem lies. So it's going back and figuring out why it's condensating, and then be square from there. But in the meantime, I'm going to start chiseling. Alright, back of the unit, dead center. Drain tube. Break free. Shaking it, turn it left. Now, if your fan is running right here, you need to be careful, because if not, you will catch your finger on that, or catch your knuckle, and it will mess your knuckle up. I just caught mine on that. Wasn't cute. So if you can, you're gonna turn it left, pop it down, comes out. You see how there's water in it? That's okay. What you're gonna do, you're gonna find a bucket or something, you just dump that water out. Now, I just dumped it out. It was a little bit, copperish in tone, probably just from sitting. But yeah, like you put it back in the exact way you pulled it out. This part is actually harder. You can actually feel the cold coming through the hole. So I want to get that back over here. And again, watching your finger, slide it right back up. And it's nice and in place.